What's up YouTube, it's Hip Hop Channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about legendary rappers Method Man and Redman. Today I will show you guys the footage of Method Man where he reveals why Redman's character was replaced on Power Book 2 Ghost. According to Method Man, Redman was not trying to get vaccinated and that's why his character was replaced. So let's check this out, the interview of Breakfast Club, come on.
Yeah, he wouldn't get the jab.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, at least that's what I heard.
Yeah.
You know, did I talk to Redman about it? No, we close. We don't even need to be said.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? But it happens. Yeah, he's not the first or the last person that'll probably happen to.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, just to say that, you know, Redman, he made a decision, and I stick by whatever his decision was.
Method Man is solid for that, but I was confused. I ain't know who that new actor was at first. And maybe most of you think that it was still a decision by Redman, but that's the prime example of money can't buy everything. So Redman was replaced, it's sad, but it is what it is. So today guys, we have also another topic about Method Man. In a new interview with Breakfast Club which aired on Monday, Method Man told Charlemagne the God how much has changed over the course of 3 decades. Method Man explained major difference between Wu-Tang era and hip-hop today. So during interview he said, let's say hip-hop was in its early 20s, still young but still likes to F a lot, you know what I'm saying? I'm finding out what these streets are about, so there's a lot more authenticity. When you heard records from the West Coast, you know it was from the West Coast. When you heard UGK, we know that was down south, said Method Man. So it was all guys, thanks for watching, it's Hip Hop Channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe the channel, also get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching, peace.